We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT effectively on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to chatopenai.com. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up by clicking the sign up button on the top right corner. Fill in your details like email and password and follow the instructions to verify your email. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main ChatGPT page where you can start interacting with the AI in the chat window. Simply type your question or prompt in the input field at the bottom. For example, you might ask, "What's the weather like today in New York?" or "Can you help me with my math homework?" Press enter or click the send button to submit your query. The AI will generate a response for you in a few seconds. If you want to refine your question or need more information, you can continue the conversation by typing follow-up questions. Keep in mind that ChatGPT is designed to assist with a wide range of topics, so don't hesitate to explore different questions. If you ever feel stuck or unsure about what to ask, you can click on the examples button to get some ideas for prompts. On the top left, you'll find the new chat button, which you can click to start a fresh conversation if you want to change topics or reset the discussion. Remember, the more specific your questions, the better the AI can assist you also. You can adjust settings like conversation history by clicking on your account name at the top right and selecting settings from the drop-down menu. This allows you to customize your ChatGPT experience a bit more. And there you have it, a straightforward way to get started with ChatGPT on your desktop. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.